When it comes to earning the extra buck, the recently implemented concept of working from home is often one of the most discussed topics. But is it truly possible to earn money from home? Is this another multi-level marketing strategy, or what's the catch? Is it necessary to pay to get initiated? There are indeed a bunch of legitimate ways to earn money from home, but it isn't magic, it is still effort. It's just that you can work in your PJs if you want to. The fundamental truth is that the internet has made it easier than ever to generate money from home, whether you freelance, work from home from a corporation, or participate in countless other money-making options, or whatever fresh concept pops up next month. There are many ways to earn money from home, and I'll be focusing on the easiest one today. Now, I'm not talking about a few modest payouts here and there. I'm talking about massive payments of $250, $350, and even $800, all thanks to the efficiency of Google's tactic. This is something I'm about to teach you in this video. Unfortunately, this tactic is not well known. In fact, those who are aware of it keep it to themselves for a variety of reasons. However, we're all about learning and earning together, so let me share the finest of the significant aspects of this approach with you. It works in every region of the earth and accepts various payment methods. It can be done in 3 easy steps. You'll need a smartphone and access to a good internet connection to get to work. And once you know this strategy, you'll be minting money with them soon enough. So stay tight and watch until the very end to understand the secret Google hack and activate your first pay ASAP. Number 3. Go to ShrinkMe and sign up. First, you need to go to Google and search for ShrinkMe. The first webpage can be found at shrinkme.io. You'll be directed to the official website when you click on this link. It is where I'll teach you how to make $260 in minutes by implementing the Google technique. We are not exaggerating when I say that folks are making money every minute as you watch this video. Hundreds of real income proofs are available, and this website pays out on schedule every day, without fail, and never misses a payment. Aside from the conventional methods, they offer various options for you to pay out your money. You can use a bank transfer, a PayPal skill, or any type of cryptocurrency. After getting a lay of the page, you will click on Register and get a new membership. First, you have to sign up with your name and email, and guess what? Creating your account is free. After that, your work is pretty straightforward. In a nutshell, you must first shorten the URL link, after which you must distribute it elsewhere on the internet. Make sure you watch all the steps carefully until the end because we don't want anyone stuck in frustrating situations of not getting paid or payments getting stuck in the account. Simply move to the upper right corner and click on the Sign Up button. After that, all you have to do is create a new subscription. Obtain a subscription. You'll even get a free dollar right away as a gift. And once you've made $5, you may start withdrawing your funds again. This site has a significant advantage. It pays you every day, unlike many other companies that take weeks or months to process payments. Number 2, find any video on YouTube to work with. It has to be a specific video that you choose, and then you will go over to its URL link. Copy this URL link and paste it onto the ShrinkMe website. Next, you have to paste it in the shorten bar, after which you can shorten that particular link from a long one to a much shorter one. You can now distribute this shorter link anywhere on the internet and make a quick buck, but this link also needs enough traffic to make money. So every time individuals click on your link, you make money. The more the merrier. And for that, I have a handy hack. First, let us look at the different payment rates you will receive. As shown on the website, when people from Greenland click on your link, you earn $22. On the other hand, when people from Ireland click on your link, you make $16. The amount earned is the same for the United States, Belgium, and the United Kingdom at $7. Similarly, each country has a different rate. It doesn't require a genius to know that getting more traffic from Greenland is the way to earn more in this case. You need to select a video that will precisely appeal to your target audience. Speaking from experience, a vast majority of people click on weight loss videos, regardless of which part of the world they are from. So you're going to do just that. Begin with a weight loss or fitness video and shorten it on the website. Type a weight loss video on YouTube and go to the filter. Then click on This Week. Now you have to find the video that is the most liked, most viewed, and most commented on for the week. This is to eliminate competition since there can be similar videos. In short, you are on a quest for the best performing video of the week. Once you've narrowed down a suitable video, copy its URL link and return to shrinkme.io and shorten the link without any trouble. Number 1. Finding forums to share the link. Now we'll go to google.com and search for several prominent forums, particularly those related to weight reduction. Again, many forums exist where you can distribute the link. People who wish to lose weight frequently go to several forums, participate in different conversations, and look for different techniques to lose weight. These are the folks you want to click on your shortened link, so now you must join one of these forums. You can search hundreds of forums using Google alone. Make sure to keep an eye on this Google strategy so that more people from Greenland click on your site and you can locate it faster. Once it works on one forum, feel free to join more such forums and increase the number of clicks on your link. So how do you narrow your target and find more folks in Greenland, Ireland, or the United States? As a result, we'll be able to make money. This isn't just an issue because you can get individuals worldwide to click on your link. It's merely that clicks from these countries pay out more than any other. It's entirely up to you whether you want to make a little more cash or not. You will, however, still make money. You can click on settings while doing a different Google search. You'll be sent to an advanced search page. Simply click on it and you'll be taken to this page. Instead of being filtered, you have this region in Greenland. Bonus tips to increase viewers. You can also check out some other websites for your own research that pay people for shortening URL links such as Linkvertise, AdFly, ShrinkEarn, and GP Links. You can search a variety of forums, particularly those focused on Greenland, and then repeat the same steps. Many people who are interested in Greenland will click on your link. However, the number of forums available in Greenland is relatively limited. As a result, the next best option is to concentrate on Ireland or the United States. You can return to Google and click on Advanced Settings under the Settings. Then, under Advanced Search and Region, simply search the United States and you can repeat the process as needed. This is entirely legal and you will not face any penalties or fines. Again, you are not reposting or re-uploading other creators' videos. You are simply sharing them along. In fact, you can share your link in the comments section of the video you took from YouTube. You can post it on any social media platforms. Just remember, the more clicks you get on the link, the more money you make. With passive income increasingly becoming necessary for some and a way to capitalize on hobbies for others, there has been a boom in such opportunities on several online platforms. There are also a lot of convenient jobs you can do to earn instantly. For example, you can become a website tester, a product tester, a blogger, a freelance writer, or simply get paid to share your opinions on surveys. What do you think about these strategies? If you have any questions, opinions, or suggestions, leave a comment below and let us know.